Welcome to this QuickBooks Online tutorial. In today's video, we'll learn step-by-step how to set up a brand new company in QuickBooks Online, perfect for beginners starting fresh bookkeeping for their business. First, open your browser and go to quickbooks.intuit.com. Click on Try QuickBooks Online or Sign In if you already have an Intuit account. Next, click on Set up a new company. QuickBooks will ask you for a few basic details: your business name, industry type, and business start date. Make sure the name matches your legal business name for accurate reporting later. Now, QuickBooks will automatically create a default chart of accounts based on your business type. For example, a retail store will have accounts for inventory and sales, while a service business will have accounts for income and expenses. You can also choose your business currency and tax settings during setup. If you deal with international clients, enable multi-currency right from the start. Next, connect your business bank account to QuickBooks. This helps QuickBooks automatically download and categorize your transactions, saving you hours every month. Finally, review your setup summary and click Let's Go. Your new QuickBooks company is now ready. You can start invoicing, recording expenses, and managing reports. That's it. You've successfully created your company in QuickBooks Online. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial.